Hi everyone, it's Rachel, and in this video I'll be showing you what items we received in the January Sophie and Toffee Elves box, as well as doing a Watch Me Craft, showing you how to make this frozen winter themed egg. So in the January box we received an egg silicone mold, and there's 3 different sizes, a bottle of clear UV resin, blue and white pigment dye, stretchy glitter and pearl powder pigments, white stretchy cloud clay, small bubble beads, gold and silver findings and an LED light keychain, dried flowers, and some silhouette film for resin. So I hope you enjoyed the rest of this video where I show you how I made my egg for the January box, which was themed My Egg Story.